cheese frame, cheese frame, cheese frame, and now cheese. Today we're gonna be cold smoking some cheese. Excuse me. We've got cheddar, Gouda for you, not Gouda for me. Habanero Jalapeno Cheddar right here. Something called Gouda Parmesan, which I've never heard of. It tastes really good, and I think it's gonna be good with some smoke on it. We have these tiny little balls of mozzarella right here. I like to use these tiny little balls because they fit in your mouth better. These things come in 3-packs, which I opened about 1 million of them. These are my cheese racks. See this right here? Come closer. These red ties. No meat has ever been on this. This is the guarantee to my veggie friends out there that I'm being legit.
Honestly, I don't think you can win this fight, and you know I tried my best to help, but you keep fucking up every time. You're gonna fucking fail.
We're gonna cold smoke for about 1.5 hours, hour and 45. And I know that people go for 2 to 4 hours, but I personally, in this cabinet, like 1.5 hours, 1 hour and 45 minutes. It's not overwhelming, it's not bitter, it's great.
I am right. Honestly, I don't think you can win this fight, and you know I tried my best to help, but you keep
Pull this last
fucking up
tray out of
every
here.
time.
Superb. Here's the worst thing about cold smoking cheese. You get it done, it's 1.5 hours. It's not too long of a smoke, it's a great day. And then you seal it all up and you have to wait at least 2 weeks to eat it because it's too bitter right now to eat. In 2 to 3 weeks, this stuff is fantastic. I call this thing Satan because it sucks the air out of everything. 2 weeks have passed and now it's time for you to set yourself up a nice charcuterie board. Like this fine display right here that took me 1/2 hour just to set up. Let's try the mozzarella. That's perfect, absolutely perfect. Oh my gosh. Next, let's try the Gouda. Smoked Gouda is amazing, no matter what. Let's try the cheddar. So good. And the longer this sits, the better it's gonna be. 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks from now, this is gonna mellow in so well. But this is really good. That's a solid smoked cheese. We're gonna try the Gouda Parmesan, which I'm very interested in. Oh, that might just be my new favorite smoked cheese. That is fucking fantastic. Wow, remember that, Gouda Parmesan. Let's dig into this Habanero Jalapeno Cheddar. I'm not a super spicy guy, off camera at least. That's actually really good. It's got some, it's creeping up on me a little bit, like your mom. Let's get a cracker here. Remember our smoked hot honey? A little dab of that. Oh man. I said, try this out. You gotta do it. It is super easy. It'll make a great board for your party. Everybody will love your charcuterie. Smoked cheese, so easy and so satisfying and so delicious. Yeah. And then you seal it all up and you have to wait 6 weeks. No, it's not 6 weeks. Why did I even say that? Now you're ready to set yourself up with a nice charcuterie.
Charcuterie.